So today we have the Teufel Rockster Air 2. So it's a pretty big speaker. It's also pretty powerful. It has a battery which you can replace. It has Bluetooth, it has auxiliary, it has a lot of functionality. So let's start with the rear actually, because there you see a lot of functionalities. So it's a pretty heavy speaker. It is still lighter than the Audiocase S10, which is here in the background. But the overall output and performance is pretty similar. So yeah, you have a lot of controls on the rear. You have some battery indication on the rear. You also have like an eco mode, so then the speaker has a little bit less power and it is really focused on battery life. So here you have a flap which you can remove, and if you remove it you see the battery which you can remove from the speaker. This is also the place where the waterproofness is not very well done maybe. Like there's no rubber sealing around this flap. It could have been better if they have done that, but it is still a splash-proof speaker. And at the end it is mostly meant for audio listening, of course. So let's go back to the front. So yeah, it is a pretty heavy speaker. And the funny thing with this logo, it is big, it really shows off. And on top you also have some buttons and a volume knob. And the funny thing with the speaker is just that it is powerful. So without further ado, here are the first audio expressions for me. So let's take a look how the audio performs. after some audio testing, I noticed a few things with the speaker. Its bass performance is strong, but maybe not very deep necessarily. Another thing I also noticed is that the treble is maybe a bit boosted when you use it on high volume. The funny thing is, of course, on the rear you have control per Bluetooth, per auxiliary, per different kind of option. So even though you put the volume like 100% on top, the volume on the rear you can adjust as well separately. So it's pretty handy if you want to use this on a party and you want to kind of hide the back controls somewhere in the corner, so they can only do like volume on top so they don't use it too loud, for example. It's a pretty smart move from Teufel. And really, this overall build and overall audio performance, it's really solid. It does reminds me a lot of the audio case, so the audio case is a bit more narrower sound, I have to be honest. But with the audio case I did notice that the bass is, with the indoor mode, pretty cool. With the outdoor mode also very like the Teufel. And the funny thing is, those two speakers, yeah, they have a pretty similar kind of way of audio. It's an easy way, it has some functionalities, some ports on the rear. And both speakers, even though on a Teufel it's a bit more like when needed for service, you can replace the batteries. And there's something I really like about these speakers. Yeah, they aren't very waterproof because of this. And also, like, this kind of speakers are never really like waterproof. The battery swapping or replacing option is great to have on the speakers. So yeah, the Teufel does give me a bit more nicer, yeah, feeling because of its design. It's more, yeah, like usable, more in the length. So it's pretty cool. So this was the first video about the Teufel itself. I will do a comparison with the audio case. I will also get a Party Box 310, so I can compare it with the Teufel. So this first video, but there will be a few more for sure.